Alright, hey everyone, I wanted to show you how the illuminated kick plate on a QX60 works. So this will work for the QX60, the GX35, or even the Pathfinder from 2013 on. So first thing I did was I had these kick plates, like this car came with kick plates, but I was curious where's the wiring connected. So to do that, I just pried off this little thing. Now, once you have removed this, you can see that there's the wiring for this is just this little flat cable. Let me focus this. I hope it focuses. Yeah, okay. So you can see this little flat cable. Now that flat cable runs across into this little connector, and this connector converts it to just a two red and black wires that go in this sleeve. Now this, I'm gonna go up and try to find where this is going. I can see in here that it's not going in there, it's still going farther up. So I'm gonna have to take off the glove box for this, and to take off the glove box, it's pretty simple. All you have to do to take off a glove box is just remove, so I've already started the process, but there's one screw up there, one screw up there, and then there's three up here, 1, 2, and 3. So then there's also a couple down here. There's one right there. Sorry, let me focus it better. Yep, one right there, and another one right there. So 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and 2 in the middle. And also, when you do this, you have to remove this panel, which you just pull and eventually just pops off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna do all of this because I only have 2 hands, and then I'll get back to you. Glove box out. The glove box is right there. Now I've been following this wire up. So this was the wire that we were talking about, right here. Now it follows up here, and then through there, and then it goes up right behind here, and keeps going. I can still feel it. Now, here is where it kind of takes a twist or something. Looks like. Where is it going from here? Oh, I wonder if you can see it through here. Okay, so I think that's the wire right there, and it's going into just a connector right there. There you go. That's the one. So it's connecting right up there. Now, wait, hold on a second. Nope, that's not the one. Sorry, I was wrong. This is way harder than expected. So this is wire is going here. It's going down here. It's going through here. And then it just kind of and this is pretty much the connector right here. This is the wire. Yep. So this connects to something, to this wire. But now the question is that there are, if you can see here, there's quite a bit of wires coming out of this connector. But when this connector goes up and back to this wire right here, there's only 2 wires connecting to the LED strip in the door, actually, so in the door plate. So I don't actually know where the rest of them are going. Unless I misfollowed this wire, but it doesn't seem like it to me. Here, let me track it again. Tracing it all the way here. Yep, that's the wire. So it's definitely more wires in this than are actually going to the kick plate. But yes, that is where it connects, if you want to know. So now, this is actually not my car. This is a loaner car that I got, but I'll be putting it back together, back to normal, so it won't matter that I took it apart. But my car actually does not have kick plates. I have been wanting these ever since I got my car. My QX60 is a 2014. When we bought it with every single option, but without the kick plates, because that's what they had in stock. That's all they had. They didn't have a one with kick plates. So this is one of the options I will be adding on my car in the future. And this actually, like, this is one of the reasons I'm making this video, because I just wanted to follow this wire and see where do I connect it in my car. Now I know on the passenger side at least, and I'll be doing the driver's side now. Thanks. To put all this back together, it's pretty much the same steps that I showed, just in reverse. It's pretty easy. Yeah, good luck. Thanks.